Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a chilling topic, the top 10 deadly viruses that could potentially cause human extinction. Stay tuned to learn about their unique abilities and how they function. These microscopic entities, ancient and ever-evolving, represent some of the most formidable challenges our species has ever faced. They are nature's silent assassins, operating with a precision and efficiency that is both terrifying and fascinating. We will explore their capacity for devastation and the intricate dance they perform with life itself, a dance that has shaped our evolution and continues to test our resilience. It is a world largely invisible to the naked eye, yet profoundly influential. These are biological machines honed by millennia to replicate and spread. Understanding them is crucial in safeguarding our future. We will venture into their mechanisms and the devastating symptoms they unleash, painting a picture of a constant, often unseen battle for existence. Join me as we explore the viral threats that lurk at the edges of our world. We will examine their origins, transmission, and profound impact on humanity. It is a story of vulnerability, scientific endeavor, and the enduring human spirit. Prepare yourselves, for the world of these viruses is as intricate as it is perilous. Our first subject is the Ebola virus. Identified in 1976 near the Ebola River, this virus has a fatality rate up to 90%. It induces severe hemorrhagic fever. The virus targets organs, causing internal and external bleeding. It spreads through contact with bodily fluids or contaminated surfaces. Each outbreak highlights the need for robust public health responses and research. Journeying into filoviruses, we encounter the Marberg virus, a close relative of Ebola. Identified in 1967, Marberg virus disease is severe and often fatal, with case fatality rates from 24% to 88%. Symptoms include high fever, severe headache, and intense malaise. Transmission mirrors Ebola, spreading through direct contact with bodily fluids. Fruit bats are the natural reservoir. Marberg remains a significant threat, a reminder of nature's deadly surprises. We now turn our attention to a different family of viruses, the hantaviruses, which present a distinct yet equally perilous threat, primarily targeting the respiratory system. These zoonotic viruses are transmitted from rodents to humans, with various species of rodents serving as their natural reservoirs. Hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, HPS, is a severe respiratory disease first recognized in the Americas in 1993. The primary mode of transmission to humans is through the inhalation of aerosolized particles from the urine, droppings, or saliva of infected rodents. Once inhaled, certain strains of hantavirus can lead to HPS, characterized by flu-like symptoms that rapidly progress to life-threatening respiratory failure. The fatality rate for HPS can be alarmingly high, around 38%, and there is no specific cure or vaccine. Our exploration takes us to West Africa, the endemic region for the Lassa virus, causing severe viral hemorrhagic fever. Named after the town in Nigeria, Lassa virus is carried by the mastomys rat, a common rodent in the region. Transmission occurs through exposure to infected rats. Symptoms include fever, weakness, and malaise. Ribavirin can be effective if given early. Rabies, a virus with mythical terror, is nearly 100% fatal once symptoms appear. Transmitted through bites or scratches, it travels to the brain. Initial symptoms include fever, pain, and tingling. Furious rabies causes hyperactivity. Paralytic rabies leads to muscle paralysis. Both forms result in coma and death. Vaccination can prevent rabies, yet it claims thousands of lives yearly. We now turn to a virus that holds a unique place in human history, variola, the causative agent of smallpox. For centuries, smallpox was one of the most devastating scourges of humankind, responsible for hundreds of millions of deaths. Yet, through a monumental global vaccination campaign, smallpox was officially declared eradicated in 1980. This remains the only human infectious disease to have been entirely wiped out. However, the spectre of smallpox has not entirely vanished, with concerns about potential bioterrorism. Routine smallpox vaccinations ceased globally after its eradication, meaning that most of the world's population today has no immunity. While vanquished from nature, the smallpox virus remains a lingering shadow, necessitating continued vigilance and preparedness. Our focus now shifts to the human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV, the cause of acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, or AIDS. HIV targets the immune system, specifically CD4 plus T helper cells. Destroying these cells cripples the body's defenses. Antiretroviral therapy, or ART, prolongs lives but requires lifelong commitment. We now consider a virus that is deceptively familiar, the influenza virus. Influenza A viruses are the most concerning due to their ability to infect many animal hosts and their significant genetic changes. This genetic shift has caused major pandemics like the 1918 Spanish flu. Constant genetic changes necessitate annual updates to flu vaccines. Our journey through deadly viruses brings us to SARS-CoV-2, the virus behind COVID-19. Emerging in late 2019, it quickly became a global pandemic, showing our vulnerability. SARS-CoV-2 is related to SARS and MERS, spreading through respiratory droplets. Its mutations have led to many variants requiring ongoing surveillance. The pandemic highlights the need for global cooperation and strong public health systems. Our final virus is the Neper virus, an emerging zoonotic pathogen with a high fatality rate. First identified in Malaysia in 1999, Neper virus has fruit bats as its natural reservoirs. Transmission includes raw date palm sap and human-to-human contact. It can cause fatal encephalitis with a 40% to 75% fatality rate. The threat underscores the importance of the One Health approach. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Stay safe and stay informed. Our journey through the realm of these 10 deadly viruses has illuminated the profound and often perilous relationship humanity shares with the microbial world. These are not abstract threats confined to textbooks. They are potent biological forces that have shaped our history and continue to pose significant challenges to our future. Science, research, global surveillance and international cooperation are our most essential defenses in this ongoing, often invisible battle. By fostering a culture of preparedness and supporting public health initiatives, we can strive to mitigate the risks and build a more resilient future for all.